Alright, so, ready? Alright, so we are JCTech. My name is Carter. I am the CEO and the VP of Operations. This is Tiffany. She is the VP of Marketing, and this is Jovan. He is the VP of Accounting and Finance.
Okay. Do you have a handout?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
The bottom is the common size statement.
Okay.
Today, we're going to be talking about a quick company overview. We're going to touch on our financials, our market performance, our operations, our overall performance, our problems and opportunities, and our future plans, and our closing. And then,
Some quick financials at the end of quarter 5.
Okay, I'm good. Let's keep going. Because I'm going to blow past stuff until I see it, okay?
All right.
All right. All right, now go back.
Here I'm showing the gross margin per unit.
All right. Is gross margins per unit getting better or worse?
In comparison to just last quarter, it's getting better.
I'm just saying better or worse over the last quarter or two. Is it getting better or worse?
Better.
It's getting better.
Yes.
Are you sure?
I like the numbers a lot better. So yes.
All right. So why? So is cost of goods sold getting better?
To be honest with you, I did not look at that.
You didn't look at that. Did you do a common size statement?
Yes, I did.
So what does your cost of goods sold for common size statement say?
It actually got worse over the next quarter, from quarter 4 to quarter 5.
All right, so what did it go to what? What did it go from and to?
For quarter 4, we were at 51%, and for quarter 5, it went down to 47.
Is that worse or better?
It's worse.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You are incorrect. If your cost of goods sold decreases, that's a good thing. Okay, so if it went from 51 to 47%, that means your cost of goods is decreasing, thus your margins are increasing. Do you agree with that or not?
I do.
Okay. All right, so we've established the fact that your cost of goods sold is decreasing. Is that correct?
Correct.
You are over finance, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if it's decreasing, why is it decreasing? Why is your cost of goods decreasing and your margins improving? Is that an important question? Should you know that?
I should.
You should.
Mind if I write that down?
Okay. All right, so y'all got to understand if you're going, and we're going to rotate here in another quarter, okay? I don't know what y'all are doing, but anytime, I mean, if the financial person, or all of you, and the question's open to any of you, can any of you answer that question?
can you say ask a question again?
All right, so we've established that cost of goods sold, based on the common size statement, is improving. It's getting lower. If cost of goods sold is getting lower, margins are getting higher. Correct?
Yes,
Why?
Because our quality is improving, as well as our prices. We're able to charge a little bit more than we have in the past, and our demand is also improving.
Okay.
So our cost of manufacturing, thus our cost of goods sold, is improving.
All right, so tell me how your cost of manufacturing is decreasing.
We have invested in changeover costs, which
Okay, all right, let's talk about changeover costs. Changeover costs, how has it improved over the last couple of quarters? What was it and what is it now?
warranty costs last quarter were 23.
No, we were talking about changeover costs.
Changeover costs. I don't have that exact figure.
You don't have that exact count, but you just said that your manufacturing got more efficient through investment in changeover.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
But you don't know how.
I know that we've invested in changeover.
You know, investment in changeover.
Mm-hmm.
So is it important? How much have you invested in changeover?
Up to this point, around $600,000.
$600,000. So you've invested $600,000 and you don't know what your return on investment is.
No, sir.
Is that important?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's go back to the beginning. All right, so a couple things from a business standpoint is that, and once again, my job's to rattle you, okay? Y'all understand that. is that I am here to induce a certain level of anxiety, because when I induce anxiety, the learning experience gets much richer and more rigorous. Okay, so that's just, and y'all are doing fine, just like the other groups. This is what it does. But when you're presenting information about financials, is it important? I mean, you circled gross margin. So one of the most important things you can do is tell me, is it getting better or is it getting worse? Correct? And then why? Remember, everything that you show me, you circle, that you say that's important, what's the first question I'm going to say? Well, why did that happen? How did that happen? And you have to be able to explain that. That's the depth of learning that I need for you to go to. All right, so have we made that point? All right, so let's close the financial stuff. Just kind of step through it. All right, who's got market?
That's me.
All right, let's go ahead.
Okay, so I have a lot, so I'm not really sure what you're going to want me to skip or not.
Okay, I'll say keep going.
Okay, so this is just generally where we stand. As you can see, a lot of us are neck and neck. Dynamics is ahead, and I'll talk about them later.
Okay.
But we really want to increase demand so that we can get more market share and be more competitive.
All right, keep going. Next slide.
All right, this shows you where we stand with our brands. We're not doing too bad. This is the one that we were doing the worst in, and we have a particular reason for that. It's because we were investing in R&D for this quarter that we received this quarter. And we were going to change the brand along with the R&D and make it really, really good this quarter.
All right, so tell me what specific R&D are you investing in quarter 6 and quarter 7 to enhance these brand ratings?
Right now, we are getting a bigger monitor because it appeals. Actually, if you can go to the next slide, please. This shows you very well. These are some of our QFD principles. This is what we're getting now, and this is what
That's friggin' excellent.
Thank you.
That's all I need to see. Best of the day right there.
Thank you, sir.
Best of the day. Okay, let's keep going.
All right, our ad judgments, we aren't doing too shabby in these either. This is our worst. Unfortunately, everyone did bad in this. We're going to go back to our QFD to try to work on it. For Workhorse, we're going to shamelessly steal.
All right. So what are you going to do differently? All right, I mean, Innovator, it's 67. Okay, Cost Coder 82, not bad. I mean, 78. Okay, but Innovator, tell me what you're going to do differently. I mean, it's been 6 quarters now. You've been going back to the QFD. What's changed? Anything different, or anything you're going to do anything different?
Yes, of course. So we actually just introduced Innovator last quarter, so we haven't actually worked with it that much yet. So I am 100% positive there's something we're probably missing in our QFD. We just need to keep reevaluating it and try to find little details.
Did y'all purchase any more marketing research?
Yes, sir. We
Okay.
purchased some for April.
What type of R&D are you investing for Innovator?
Yes, thank you. So let's see, the bigger laptop or desktop, excuse me, will work for that. As well as the computing power, thank you. And also this last one, networking and operating system.
Okay.
Or not operating system.
Let's keep going. Keep going.
All right. We got a lot of 100s for our price judgments, which actually isn't that great. We'd much rather be at our 98 or our 97 price point.
You're good. Let's keep going.
And our competitors, we are neck and
Who's your number one competitor?
Dynamics.
Why?
However,
why?
Yeah, we are neck and neck with SparkTech and with Big Time, but we think if we can match ourselves to Dynamics, that hopefully we would surpass the people who are neck and neck with us as well. And they're an innovator, we're an innovator. I'm pretty sure they're in Workhorse, we're in Workhorse. So we definitely can compete with them pretty strongly. And then hopefully surpass the other competition in that process.
So what are you doing? I mean, it says invest aggressively in R&D. Fine, okay, I get all that stuff. But is there anything? Are you into any strategic alliances or what? What's happening?
Yeah, we're in a strategic alliance with SparkTech, which is awesome. We're going to be trading R&D this quarter, actually starting this quarter. We're also going to enter into Mercedes, which I was going to talk about in just a few minutes, to help us
Okay.
compete with them, because we think they're going to go there. They already have market share there. We've also been trying to get into cities where they're at. For example, with Warsaw, they're the only ones there right now. That's not okay. We're going to enter into it next quarter.
All right, how much cash you sitting on right now?
Can you go back to the first slide?
All right, are y'all going to borrow any money quarter 6?
Definitely.
Okay.
Because
So
of
just
how
quickly,
large
since
the
we're coming to the end of y'all's time, you need to leave at 2:30. What are you going to do? How much money are y'all going to borrow? And then tell me what you're going to invest it into primarily.
Well, strategically, I can tell you, we talked about borrowing $1 million to continue on the
That's all.
investment we were receiving quarterly. Yeah, I didn't want to borrow too much. In the
Go to your
beginning.
major problems real quick.
We also, because of the revenues we made, I figured we can use money from that instead of having to borrow as much as we need.
So what are you saying is your major problem?
One of our major problems is stockouts right now, because the main issue from that is misforecasting demand, as well as just not enough capacity.
All right, so how are you going to fix it?
Well, first, we've increased our operating or fixed capacity from 50 units a day to 100 units a day.
Okay.
So we've done that, and then we're learning better each quarter how to forecast demand, and working together with marketing on which ads and what.
All right. Well, since we don't have much time, and one of the things y'all really need to do is to aggressively expand your sales distribution, okay, and R&D. If y'all going to have any kind of shot at taking down a couple of these other companies, y'all are going to have to borrow aggressively, expand aggressively, and just get aggressive, okay? This is where you're talking about maybe moving heavy into Mercedes. Y'all got 26% of the market? No, that's SparkTech.
28.
28 actually.
And y'all going to team with SparkTech?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I see some potential there. All right, not bad. I just, go ahead and stop this.